We've all been hearing about those terrible fires on the west coast of the United States. Well, there are wildfires which are burning out of control in the vast Russian region of Siberia.
Unusually hot and dry weather has left the forest highly vulnerable to flames, even in the Arctic. Our correspondent Steve Rosenberg and his production crew at the foreign team to be allowed into the Yakushi, a region that is quite familiar to these sort of fires. Take a look.
In Siberia, they call their forests the lungs of the planet. If that's true, our planet's in big trouble. We were given a bird's eye view of a climate emergency. From the air, Siberia's forest fires look like Armageddon. A heat wave has been fueling them, and they're releasing record amounts of carbon. And because of the vastness of Siberia, fighting them is incredibly difficult. This region alone, Yakutia, is 13 times the size of Britain.
What's happening here in Siberia has consequences for the whole world. Scientists believe that these forest fires are producing huge amounts of greenhouse gases that are changing the climate of the planet.
Russia has 1/5 of the world's forests. If they're burning, the fallout is global. For a closer look, we switch transport and head into the Siberian taiga with the forest rangers. It's slow going.
This is a real Siberian forest path. Not easy to get down. It's going to take us a while to get to the fire.
But we're on the right track. It soon becomes clear that fire has swept through here, destroying larch and silver birch, and turning parts of this fairy tale forest into a wasteland. When we catch up with the flames, the forest rangers do their best with what they've got. But no sooner is one fire out, another sparks. It is Siberia's equivalent of David versus Goliath.
Siberia is trapped in a vicious circle of climate change. Rising temperatures means drier forests and more forest fires. More fires means more carbon emissions being pumped into the atmosphere and more climate change.
Steve Rosenberg, BBC News, Siberia.
Tinder dry there in Siberia.